Ben Simpson firmly believes Bitcoin will reach $1 million per coin, projecting that within the next decade, it will overtake gold as the globe's premier store of value. He views Bitcoin as the new digital gold, an asset with a capped supply of 21 million coins, acting as a hedge against inflation amid widespread government money printing and growing global debt. Its scarcity, decentralization, and increasing institutional adoption affirm its lasting value. Countries and notable institutions now hold Bitcoin reserves, signaling a maturation from an obscure digital currency to a mainstream financial asset. Ben's journey into crypto began 9 years ago, fueled by curiosity and a drive to escape traditional financial constraints. He recounted turning $10,000 into nearly $100,000 as a young investor, but made the common mistake of not taking profits, which led to significant losses during market downturns. This emotional roller coaster revealed the dangers of greed and a lack of strategy, common pitfalls for many retail investors treating crypto like gambling rather than disciplined investing. His experience underscores the necessity of planning, patience, and emotional control. Frustrated by misinformation, scams, and the overwhelming complexity of crypto, Ben founded Collective Shift, now Australia's leading crypto research company with a global presence. The aim was to simplify crypto investing by providing transparent, aligned, and trustworthy education and research, free from the common influencer conflicts of interest prevalent in the space. Collective Shift offers coaching, research, and a firmly grounded 7-step process to help everyday people confidently build and manage crypto portfolios. Ben explains crypto as the next evolution of the internet, Web 3, where users don't just consume content, but own their digital assets through blockchain technology. Unlike Web 2 platforms where centralized companies own data and content, Web 3 enables peer-to-peer interactions and true ownership of digital money and assets. Bitcoin exemplifies this shift, representing programmable, that's scarce money beyond traditional banking systems and fiat currencies vulnerable to inflation. Ben's structured approach to crypto investing starts with portfolio allocation and goal setting, emphasizing the importance of tax and legal structuring. A well-defined buy strategy, risk tolerance assessment, and an exit strategy are crucial, followed by asset selection tailored to personal goals. Importantly, Ben highlights that the emotional discipline to sell, often when it feels the worst, is the most difficult but vital part of investing successfully. The process helps investors avoid the common trap of chasing hype and losing money during crashes. A core theme is learning when to take profits. Ben stresses that success in crypto often hinges on having an exit plan rather than trying to time the top perfectly, which is nearly impossible. By selling gradually or through target-based systems, sentiment analysis, and dollar-cost averaging out, investors can secure gains and achieve financial goals, such as debt freedom or buying a house. This practical mindset shifts investing from emotional speculation to disciplined wealth building. Ben warns against falling for hype around altcoins promoted by influencers with conflicts of interest, as many altcoins tend to depreciate against Bitcoin over the long term. He advocates for portfolio simplification, primarily holding Bitcoin supplemented by selected altcoins with solid fundamentals and clear value propositions. He also notes that many of the best projects aren't listed on major exchanges, but accessed through decentralized exchanges, DeFi, requiring education and caution due to scams and complexity. Bitcoin's growing institutional adoption is evident in rapid growth of Bitcoin ETFs, owned now by large asset managers like BlackRock. Approximately 1.25% of Bitcoin's supply is held by ETFs, which have become the fastest-growing ETF category ever. This inflow of institutional capital signals increasing legitimacy and provides an important on-ramp that drives price appreciation. Ben situates crypto in the broader macroeconomic context. Ongoing inflation, unprecedented government debt, and wealth inequality drive demand for new forms of money and investment. Crypto offers an asymmetric upside bet against a deteriorating fiat environment. He points out how traditional money evolves every few decades, from barter through gold to the current fiat system, and now crypto represents the logical next step. While there are stories of life-changing crypto wealth, Ben acknowledges that 95% of retail investors lose money, often buying at market highs, and panicking during downturns. He recalls tragic cases where people have suffered immense personal consequences due to reckless investing. This reality fuels his mission to educate and guide investors to avoid common mistakes and achieve real, sustainable success. Ben highlights the importance of surrounding oneself with experts who have demonstrated success rather than relying on entertainers or self-proclaimed gurus. His own team consists of highly skilled crypto analysts who have personally profited in the market and now focus on delivering research and insights aligned with client success. The approach mirrors hiring the best advisors in traditional finance or property investing, emphasizing credibility and proven track records. For newcomers with limited capital, Ben recommends starting small, primarily accumulating Bitcoin regularly as a long-term store of value through automated purchases. This strategy leverages the power of compounding and reduces emotional decision-making. As portfolios grow, investors can diversify carefully, setting clear goals and aligning risk tolerance. He discourages chasing meme coins or random hype projects, advocating education and simple, deliberate portfolio structures. To access promising projects before they hit major exchanges, investors must explore decentralized exchanges like Uniswap and learn to use Web3 wallets. These secondary markets provide early opportunities, but come with risks of scams and technical challenges. Ben's company educates clients on navigating these platforms safely to capitalize on new innovations that aren't yet mainstream. Looking ahead, Ben predicts crypto will integrate deeply into everyday financial life, becoming part of retirement portfolios and mainstream asset allocations. Mass adoption remains in early stages, and many still lack understanding. Regulatory developments and global macroeconomic factors will pose challenges, but overall the trend remains bullish. Awareness of cycles, readiness for volatility, and long-term perspective are crucial for success. Collective Shift's business model is based on aligning client success with company success. They are only paid when they deliver results, without affiliate links or paid promotions that often mislead investors. This transparent model seeks to rebuild trust in a market often tarnished by scams and hype, aiming to offer clients confidence and clarity in a chaotic space. Ben's core message is that crypto investing isn't about timing the market or gambling. It's about adopting a disciplined, strategic framework that includes goal setting, risk management, and profit-taking. He encourages people to recognize this moment as early days for the next internet era, with enormous wealth-building potential available to those willing to learn and act patiently. Investing in crypto is a chance to buy the next Amazon, well before it becomes mainstream, providing an asymmetric risk-reward opportunity unmatched in traditional finance.